Pros and cons of plunge pools. Dear friends, in this video, we will provide you with some of the benefits and drawbacks of plunge pools. By watching them, you will be able to make an educated decision when it comes to buying the right type of pool for your house. Pros of plunge pools. Here are some of the biggest benefits of plunge pools. Small space requirements. Because of their smaller size, you can easily fit a plunge pool into an area where a traditional swimming pool could never hope to be installed. Many people will set up these plunge pools alongside a patio or deck, or even tuck it away by a wall or fence of a home, turning an area that was previously wasted space into an impressive new feature. Easier to clean and maintain. Another positive is that a plunge pool is very easy to take care of. Their smaller size means less debris finds its way inside, and you can probably even use a manual vacuum and scoop net when you do need to remove any leaves or other junk that accumulates in your pool. Plus, a smaller pool makes throwing a cover over it a quick and easy job. Economical ongoing costs. The water needs for a plunge pool are also far less than a regular pool, which means you save money on many fronts. Fewer chemicals are needed to keep the pool water clean, and the associated running costs for pumps, filters, and heaters are also much lower. And it's not a hassle to top it up when the water level does start to drop. Installation fees are lower. Building a plunge pool is also cheaper than installing a regular swimming pool in your home, as the area to be cleared and dug is less. There are also fewer total materials needed for the construction and surrounding areas with the tiling, fencing and decking needs. Cons of plunge pools. Along with its benefits, plunge pool also comes with some disadvantages as well. Some of them are mentioned here for your consideration. You have less pool to use. Arguably the biggest drawback is their limited size. Your kids aren't going to have a vast amount of area to play, and you can forget swimming laps unless you install a resistance jet for creating a flow in the water. The shallow water can be dangerous. Kids love jumping in and out of a swimming pool, but this presents a significant concern for owners of a plunge pool because there is no deep end. The shallower design is a safety risk, making it much more likely jumping kids will hit the hard bottom when they play. Lacking the overall aesthetic of a large pool. Despite the beautiful designs of many plunge pools, they lack the wow factor that comes with a large swimming pool. You're going to end up with a pool that's more akin to a water feature than what most people imagine when you tell them you have a pool in your yard. Can only fit a few people. Unlike a traditional swimming pool, it's going to get crowded in a plunge pool very quickly. Their smaller size means you may only be able to fit 4 adults in at one time before it starts getting cramped, which means it's not really suitable for pool parties or hosting lots of swimmers at the same time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.